Hey YouTube, if you don't take regular break when you work, your body blood flow will get worse and your muscle will become stiff. This is exactly what happened to neck. It's hours of sitting and holding the same position. This has caused your neck to become misaligned. I'm going to show you some stretches. This will loosen up all the muscles around the neck. Then it will be easier for us to realign our neck back into place. Let's get started. Move your neck from left to right in a circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from right to left. 1, 2, 3. For the best result, follow my pace. With your left palm on top of your forehead and push it inward. 1, 2, 3. Lift your chin all the way back. You feel the tension at the side of your neck. The right palm. 1, 2, 3. Don't be shy. Lift your head all the way back. Now with both palms on the side of your head and push in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. With your left palm on your side of your head and push it to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands in this position and all the way back. 1, 2, 3. Keep your arms at your eye level and move them all the way back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time in this position all the way back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And extend your arms and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Do this 2 times a day for 2 weeks and let me know how you get on. If you click on the notification bell, you will be the first to receive my new natural method videos.